Hello beautiful people and welcome to Lip Balm Kiss TV. Today's video is sponsored by Afsisterwig. So this is an install/review. So first we're gonna get the review part out the way. First of all, how cute is these motherfucking space buns? So I've been into like the messy space bun look here recently. So that's what we went for. That's why we have little hair sticking out. And let me show y'all the back from afar, not too fucking much, okay? That's what the back looks like. The hairline is giving, okay, on a scale of 1 to 10. Y'all know I gotta rate this hair, okay? I give this hair a 9.5, okay? And let me tell you why. So this hair has hella parting space. So it goes literally to like the middle of my head. You can't even see all of it from here. That's from ear to ear. Some wigs they send is just like this part that has that. This goes all the way back here too. So like if I wanted to braid this halfway up, French braid or whatever I wanted to do, it would give scalp. Just like this is giving scalp. I also love how it was pre-plucked. As you can see, I did a little bit because the wig was a little bit too big. It wasn't the right size for my head. So I had to cut the lace back a little bit and do a little bit of that. But if you know your right size, then you good. But yeah, it came pre-plucked. The baby hairs were already thin. I did trim them to my liking, but as far as like the baby hairs and like the plucking, that was already done. I did not do that. The scalp, I bleached the knots, but like the scalp is giving. Like when I first took it out the package, I thought it was gonna stink. It literally smelled like they put like a conditioning protein treatment or something. It literally smelled good. And when I washed it, it was super, super soft. Usually out the box, it's not that soft. It don't be giving fresh out the box like that. But this was so fucking soft. And look at the curl pattern up close. Look at that. Super cute. I have mousse in it right now, which is why it sounds a little crunchy right now. But this is so fucking cute. This is probably one of my favorites. Like, okay. But yeah, I decided to do space buns because I really wanted to show y'all the parting space. Like that's what amazed me the most. The fact that the parting space was that consistent throughout the wig. I didn't add concealer. I didn't do none of that. I just literally parted it with my rat tail comb and that was it. I put a little gel and conditioner in it and this is what our space buns turned out like. And I'm so happy with it. Anyways, if you'd like to see how I achieved this messy space bun look, this is not a 360. This is a wig. Not a 360, but it's still giving. If you want to see how we installed and achieved this look, then just keep watching.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. Your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. I long for that feeling